Okay, before showing the final result, how would you rate the appearance?
Appearance is gotta be a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10?
Today we are going to try to make chiles in Nogada. Now this is a tradition.
Chiles in what?
Nogada. Nogada. This is a traditional dish. I read online, so it must be true, that it came from Puebla.
Yep.
We've had several chiles in Nogada, but you've never had mine.
You've never made them, right?
No, but I'm a little nervous.
It's a pretty complicated, involved, long process.
Yeah, I posted today that I was gonna make it, and if any of you guys had any tips on Instagram, and someone said, Greg is taking you out for tacos. So my confidence is at an all-time high. Viva Mexico, no?
All right, now the hard part, finding the pomegranate seeds, cloves, black peppercorn,
Part of the problem is I don't know what a pomegranate even looks like. I'm about to look it up.
Bit of a problem. Can't find the pomegranates. Pomegranates are like the essential part of the recipe.
How are we supposed to even celebrate?
Is that a granada? Is that a granada? I don't know. We'll get home, open it up, and find out.
This looks better. First things first, who knew poblanos were so big? First things first, I'm gonna coat these in olive oil and roast them so that we can peel the skins off.
Are we gonna have guests?
No, but leftovers.
Why don't we get 4?
Okay, the recipe called for 10 because I think
10?
I think normally you like have friends over for fiestas patrias. Las fiestas patrias. But this year, stay safe, stay home.
Now look, now is an important time to mention, anytime we've ever done one of these food videos, like everybody loses their mind and says, that's not how my abuelita makes it. We know. This is just an attempt. It's just an attempt. It's not.
Look like your abuelita?
She's not your abuelita. Hopefully she doesn't look like your abuelita, although I'm sure your abuelita is very beautiful. It's just an attempt. We're just having fun with it. This isn't a cooking lesson, and Hillary is an amazing cook.
Yeah.
I don't know how these are gonna turn out. She doesn't really cook a lot of Mexican food, so like,
Vamos a ver.
you don't judge. Don't judge. But do comment below and let us know because we need engagement. Hashtag engagement. Hashtag YouTube Live. This was one of the ingredients. What is this?
Peppercorns.
It just needed this much. How strong is this that it only needs 2 little?
Actually, it called for 1.5, but
1.5? If we only needed 2 pieces of peppercorn, then why did we buy
700.
like the equivalent of 100 kilos worth?
I don't know. I didn't know how to ask for only 2 pieces of peppercorn. Okay, now we're gonna start the actual meat. Now, I think traditionally this is made with part pork and part ground beef, but I don't eat pork, so we're doing it with chicken. I know nothing like her abuelita. I probably just ruined Independence Day, but go lean or go home, right? Pinterest versus real life. These have been boiling for just over a minute. I ran them under cold water. Let's see. Come on.
Oh!
Got one!
It worked.
Boom, baby!
It worked.
Okay.
300 more to go.
Oh my gosh, but really.
Oh, okay. You're doing a great job, babe.
Oh no!
Oh.
No!
I did all of them by myself.
How much time?
30 seconds or so.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. They look ready to
Like nice and shriveled.
be. Oh, that was too far, Mom. I don't approve of what she just said. That
It was your idea. You told me to say it.
I did not. That was too far. The recipe call for half a handful of sugar or what?
Yeah.
Is that how we're,
About,
is that how we're measuring things?
Abuelitas don't measure things exactly. Am I right?
Before showing the final result, how would you rate the appearance?
Appearance has gotta be a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10?
I mean, yeah.
Okay. Amigos, comment below. What do you think? I actually think mine is a little prettier.
What?
I think mine is, no, I didn't make it. The one, I mean, you made it, but I think you just prepared this one a little bit prettier. Okay.
I'm doing the dramatic slow motion turn.
Now let's get your first bite and let us know.
I gotta get a fork. I'll be back. Let's see. It's nice and tender. Nice and stuffed in there.
Good.
I'm still going with a 10 on appearance. Okay,
All right,
okay.
first bite, make sure it's saucy.
First bite, nice and saucy. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. It smells like fruity, spicy, nutty. Oh, that smells good. Oh.
Is it that good, or are you just proud of your own cooking?
That's really good. That's really good.
How does it compare to other ones we've had? We had a really good one last year. I know it's been a long time. It's not something we eat frequently.
Okay, again, behind the scenes, it's a little cold. I think if it was warm, it would be better. It's a little warm, but it's not like piping hot. I think if it was warm, it would be a lot better. I mean, I'm gonna go bold and say my honest opinion is this, I think, is restaurant quality. I said it.
Sometimes I think you just say things just to like get a rise out of people. I don't know.
No, this is the truth. I think this could be sold in a restaurant.
Okay, let me try.
The original recipe calls for walnuts in the sauce, but I saw that you could use any nut that you had, and we already had almonds, so I used almonds. I'm not a huge fan of almonds, so I'm wondering how the sauce might actually taste just like a little bit different in the detail made with walnuts. Walnuts. We'll leave it at that. What would you give it on appearance?
I'm gonna sleep on the sofa tonight. I think I'd give it a 9 out of 10. I feel like it's just
Is it the plastic plate?
We're using plastic plates because we didn't want to break the plates of the owners of this apartment. If you're watching, I would give it a 9 out of 10. I feel like it could be covered. I would like it to be covered in more sauce.
But I didn't know. See, I thought you were supposed to leave the top and the bottom of the pepper exposed.
Maybe.
I wasn't sure. I didn't know if that was the green or the parsley.
But I don't care how it looks. I'm all about the taste. Let's see.
Okay. Juicy. Should you get some sauce?
Okay.
Since that's what you're whining about.
That sauce, I think I got a little bit of everything in that bite. That's a big bite.
Verdict?
That is very, very impressive.
What about the restaurant quality question?
I think It does need to be heated up a little bit.
Yeah, it's lukewarm at best.
The sauce is really good. The pomegranates are super fresh.
Yeah.
That's an amazing touch to it. The sauce is really good. To me, like the sauce is really what makes it Chiles en Nogada, and the filling is really flavorful. If I'm being honest, I think we used a little too much of the black peppercorn stuff. That's a really overpowering taste. It was super good. Amigos, thank you for watching. Comment below, let us know how this looks or how you're celebrating the Fiestas Patrias this year.
Yep.
It's gonna be a little different, but we hope you are enjoying it one way or another. Don't forget to head on over to alwayscontodo.com to get this year's shirt. They went super fast last year, so we want to do them again this year.
We can't get more once they're gone.
Be sure you're following us on Instagram, Kinetic Kennons, and then Kinetic Kennons and Dos if you want to see me make a fool of myself trying to speak Spanish. And well, I guess that's it.
We gonna go eat.